Welcome to Arnos Online Education, your most innovative living experience in online real-time education coming from Greece. Our company provides our students with video tutorials, coaching them with their courses from primary education to university. My name is Vasilis Tsilivis, and in the frames of Ecumenical E-School Athena, we will explain one of the most biggest nightmares of our students: fractions.
So, let's discuss about the so-called meaning fraction. A fraction, let's see in the other page, a fraction describes a part of a whole of any number of equal parts. If we take, for example, a pizza which consists of how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts. 9 parts of a pizza, if we unite those 9 parts, we can create the whole pizza. So, pizza consists of 9 parts. 9 parts can create the whole in the specific case. As we said, the fraction describes a part of a whole. So, if we take one piece of that pizza, so the fraction is written as 1 of 9. One part of the whole pizza, meaning one part of 9 parts of a pizza. So, children, this is the appropriate time to tell the fact that a common vulgar or simple fraction consists of an integer numerator, a numerator displayed above a line, this is the numerator, okay, and the non-zero integer denominator, displayed below that line. The numerator represents a number of equal parts, let's write it, represents a number of equal parts. In the specific case, this is the number 1. One part of the whole pizza. And the denominator describes, which cannot be 0, let's note it, indicates how many of those parts make up a unit or a whole. For example, if we write a fraction which has numerator 3 and denominator 4, this fraction describes that we have used 3 pieces of the 4. For example, if we write the fraction whose numerator is 3 and the denominator is 4, that means the fact that we have used a pizza or a birthday cake which consists of 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the denominator, which, as we said, describes how many of those parts make up a unit or a whole. From that cake, we have used 3 parts. 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. So we have used 3 parts of a cake, which the whole cake consists of 4 parts. This is the fraction 3 numerator and 4 denominator. Let's see another example to understand the meaning of fractions. We have an exercise which is separated in those questions, and so let's see those separately. We have the fraction whose numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. Okay. Let's see the other example. We have a fraction whose numerator is 3, meaning that we have used 3 parts of the whole, which consists of how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, the number 9 is the denominator of that fraction. Let's proceed in example B. We have a birthday cake which is separated in 2 parts, 1, 2. So, the whole is separated in 2 parts. So, number 2 is the denominator of that fraction. We have used only one part of that fraction. So we have the fraction 1 of 2 parts. I think, children, this is quite understandable, so we can understand quite a lot the meaning of fractions, not only in mathematics, but in our everyday life. We have another birthday cake, which consists of how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, number 8 is the denominator of that fraction. From those 8 parts of a cake, we have used only 4 parts. And so we have the so-called fraction 4 out of 8 parts. Proceeding in example 3, we have an object which is separated in how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts. So we have the fraction with numerator 4 and denominator 8, which equivalent to the fraction 2 of how many parts? 4. Because, children, the two fractions represent the same value. Even though they may look different, so those two fractions represent the same value. We have used 4 parts out of 8, we have used 2 parts out of 4. So we have used in each one of these cases the same part of the whole. So we can introduce the meaning of equivalent fractions as fractions that are the same thing, because they have the same value even though they may look different each other. So, children, we understood from that presentation the meaning of the word fraction or equivalent fractions that are used mainly in our everyday activities and in our life in general.